단 하루도 조용할 날이 없는 파리 시내 한복판. 한가로운 시간을 보내고 있는 한 여인이 있습니다.
For a tropical fish. No offense.
하지만 그녀의 직업은 그리 평화롭지만은 못했습니다.
Job we talked about is tonight, Michael Schlumacher.
Do they deserve this death?
It's nearly his favorite drink, but no one leaves that room alive.
세상 악한 짓을 저지르고 다니는 악당들에게 죽음을 선사하고 있었던 전설 속 킬러. 코드명 죽음의 여왕이었거든요.
I watched him leave.
Always brings the chocolates I love.
Has the man who did this bothered you again?
But this man took it personally.
You need to use a language. Speak from your heart. Never darken the door of the old man's shop again. He understood.
I always say, if a man were to dance with you in this,
그렇게 의뢰 장소로 향하게 되는 이번 이야기의 주인공 지. 그리고 때마침 비밀 파티를 벌이고 있는 타기까지. 은밀하게 의뢰를 수행하기 딱 좋게 말이죠.
Are you Sage?
Maybe.
I'm not sure where I would put it.
순식간에 저승길로 떠나버린 타깃들. 하지만 그녀는 임무를 완수하지 못했습니다.
I can't see. Somebody please help me.
방 안에 있는 모든 이들을 제거하라는 상부로부터의 명령을 말이죠.
Everything okay? But you didn't fulfill the contract, Michael Schlumacher. But the contract was clear, everyone in the rooms.
Singer they brought back there.
Yeah, but she was in that room. To ensure that is always the case, I made you a promise.
그리고 그 사이 오늘도 범죄와의 현장에서 고군분투하고 있었던 열혈 형사 세이의 등장.
Hugo, c'est toi?
Friends call you Coco. Does that ring a bell?
And where with the slum boy like you get the money from?
Coco, you're under arrest, okay?
지난 현장에서 간시인이 흉악범을 제압했던 세이는 문제의 범죄 조직이 괴멸되었다는 소식을 접하게 되는데
What have you got?
So, the girl sent back she was writing a song for him. We played the song Coco had on his headphone. Now, those guys killed last night. Same girl, same song.
Men killed at the club. One died of gunshot. Blade width suggests a samurai sword.
조직의 의뢰를 완수하기 위해 지난 현장의 생존자 제니를 다시 찾아온 주인공.
I'm here to see Jennifer Clark. Hi, Jennifer. I'm Miss Noon. What happened to your eyes?
Pressure on the optic nerves from hitting my head. It could be temporary or permanent. Could you do me a favor? She'll be worried sick about me.
하지만 그녀의 임무는 그리 순탄하지만은 못했습니다.
The U.S. Embassy.
Ms. Noon?
I've already told the police everything.
One of them invited you for a drink. Yes?
Everything went dark.
I have questions to ask Miss Clark. Describe the killer for me, Miss Clark.
예상치 못했던 세이의 등장과
You know a man named Philippe Hugon?
Whoever they were, I don't know.
더욱 예상치 못했던 제니의 상태.
I was already.
또다시 임무를 실패하고 말았거든요.
So clumsy. I'm so sorry.
She's lying. Your countrywoman.
You would know.
A policeman knows.
Well, thank God I'm innocent. More visits like this.
Hello?
Hello, Inspector Say. Vice Consul Noonan.
Kamal.
그렇게 중개인에게 상황을 설명. 제니를 놓아달라 이야기하는 지.
Glad you could make it. Why is the girl from the club still alive, Z?
I didn't stick around. I was there when he questioned her. She was out of it.
She's lying and you're slipping.
하지만 조직에게 그녀의 개인적인 판단 따위는 중요하지 않았으니
What happened to that lion? And you did this deliberately?
I'm no one's whore.
It's a very valuable commodity, my Kushlamaki. It's fine. See the lion creeping back in.
제니를 제거하기 위해 수하들을 파견하고 말아버린 핀. 그녀 또한 행동에 들어가고 있었습니다. 순조롭게 수하들을 저지하는 데 성공하는 주인공. 하지만 조직의 위협은 겨우 이 정도가 아니었습니다.
Hey, Jen. I'm gonna need you to listen to it at the club the other night, and that means you. And do whatever I tell you to do. If you don't,
대낮에 병원 한복판에서 권총을 꺼내들고 있었던 수하들. 조직의 명령은 절대적이었거든요.
On y va.
동료를 병문안 중이었던 세이의 도움으로 무사히 제니를 구출할 수 있었던 지.
almost there.
하지만 상황은 그다지 좋지 못했습니다.
Prince Majid bin Fahim.
Give me an update on when my airplane will be released.
You are a witness.
멀리 지중해에서 넘어오고 있었던 대량의 와
The French custom.
공항에서 대기 중이던 가쁜 무장 강도들.
Did you recognize any of the thieves?
Nothing.
조직의 전 재산을 한 방에 털리다니. 회장님의 인내심은 이미 한계에 다다르고 있었거든요.
No, who is he?
Gobert.
What did the policeman want to know?
If I recognize the man as the same man killed him.
No, it wasn't us.
Ask me if I knew you.
You have a problem you can run to your father. Problem today is I am out 75 million.
Been unreasonable.
Put it down, put it down. Z, on Nate, now.
그리고 그 사이
You'll be safe here.
무사히 제니를 구출. 자신의 비밀 숙소에서 잠시 몸을 숨기기로 결정하는 주인공.
Tell me what you eat, and I'll get it for you. Windows, open them if you like. Take 2 steps up to the bed. Oh, I have a roommate. He's kind of all I've got. We don't talk about ex. 15 years. Last night I slept covered in cardboard under a bridge.
자신의 과거에 대해 이야기하던 그녀는
Yeah, it ended with a bang.
제니의 사연 또한 듣게 되었습니다.
It was you.
How about you? How'd you get here? Why do they want you dead, Jen? You just said the guy who believed in you was called Cokes, you tell me, or I'd dump you in the street.
남친을 따라다니다 범행에까지 합류하게 된 그녀.
Watching it all.
멋모르고 발을 들여버린 무시무시한 범죄를 말이죠.
Inside and steal the drugs that they'd stolen. Fuck!
Finn was right. No one in that room was innocent.
그리고 드디어 다시 만나게 되는 핀. 그녀는 제니를 제거했다는 거짓 보고를 하게 되는데
I'm in a bit of a strop, as you may notice.
Where's the fucking girl?
She's in the air now. Smoke.
Fierce laying, and she's back.
Bastards slide. They start thinking they can ice skate.
You need a rest. I knew you wouldn't let me down.
그렇게 다시금 평화를 되찾는 듯 보였던 지의 일상.
You okay?
Yeah.
You hungry?
하지만 세상 일은 어느 것 하나 마음대로 흘러가지 않았습니다.
Either you're very hungry.
The gunmen at the hospital weren't carrying the ID.
CCTV outside the club looking for the phony embassy.
팀원들과 함께 CCTV를 점검하던 세이.
C'est la reine des morts. No one has ever seen her. It was the queen who killed Bélanger.
Je suis Henri Bélanger, vous entends.
안면인식 AI의 활약으로 지를 부착해버리고 말았거든요.
This is about 4 hours before the hit of the... And this is the day before.
Where's the girl? No, she's blind because of you. And you? What do you do well? Can I?
By all means. There's always one clue that trips me up.
It's in between killing people.
It's a state of mind.
그렇게 강도 높은 신문을 이어가던 세이.
Arrêtez-vous 2 minutes. Je lui ai parlé de ta théorie de la reine des morts.
그는 졸지에 지를 놓쳐버리고 말았으니
T'aurais dû sauter, toi.
사실 두 사람의 인연은 이번 처음이 아니었습니다.
You have the money?
과거 잠복 수사 중 위기를 맞이하게 되는 세이.
What size shoes do you wear?
What?
그는 지의 도움으로
Why the hell are you asking?
위기를 넘길 수 있었거든요.
Tu l'as buté?
그리고 서서히 본색을 드러내는 내부의 배신자들.
Tell me then, where is my heroine? Why is he still alive?
Still not sure killing the prince is the move you want to make.
조직의 모든 것을 꿀꺽하려 하는 핀의 계략이 말이죠.
He's as big a fool as you. Full of grace.
Jen?
Where are you?
You told me the girl was dead.
Let her go.
Boyfriend offload 350 million here. Do you hear what happened to him? Gangs will go to war.
You'll find a way to take over because you're smarter than everyone else.
It's easy to say. I need one last hit from you.
제니를 인질로 마지막 의뢰를 제시하는 핀.
Pero ese Jim.
He's a dirty cop. Just do it from a distance. We want it clean. Number 43.
그녀는 묵묵히 현장으로 향할 수밖에 없었으니
Jared, mais qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Les flics qui te connaissent, ils savent que tu es pour rien.
Ils sont tellement fiers, vraiment.
Excuse-moi une seconde. Allô?
Your suit is ready.
Always send the Judas though, don't they?
드디어
Quelqu'un qui veut te parler?
방아쇠를 당기는 그녀.
What are you waiting for?
세이가 아닌 그의 동료를 향해서 말이죠.
It's me.
Whoever he is, he set you up. He told you to meet him here, didn't he?
Yes.
He works for Finn.
No, Finn. Jamais. Friends. We are fucking good friends.
I needed time to think.
Where is it, Jax? You know.
Okay, okay.
동료의 적극적인 협조로 모든 진실을 알아낼 수 있었던 두 사람. 반격의 순간이 왔습니다. 수억 달러에 육박하는 어마어마한 상품. 제니를 무사히 돌려받기 위한 거래를 말이죠.
Hello, my forgotten friend. Do you let me down? It's a sign you're through. There can be only one Kushla McKay.
It's a sign that you're the one that's slipping. You won't kill her until you're sure I'm dead.
드디어 다가버린 운명의 시간.
The candles are for my dead. Careful you don't give me something to die for. Outside. It's not far.
제니와의 현장 통화 도중 행동에 돌입하는 주인공. 현장은 졸지에 난리가 나버리고 말았습니다. 파리 최대 규모 마피아 조직대 킬러.
Jen, it's me. I'm here. See? Hold on to me.
서로의 모든 것을 건 한판 승부가 말이죠.
It's a sin to kill a policeman. 어마어마한 난전의 끝! 드디어 모든 수하들을 제거하는 데 성공하는 지. 그리고 가쁜 핀의 기습까지.
Tell me, what size shoes do you wear?
Don't you?
I'd have a chance to relive my life. I take.
지는 그렇게 반격에 성공할 수 있었습니다. 세이와의 멋진 팀워크로 말이죠.
See? Yeah.
모든 사건이 마무리되고 상처를 완치, 가족의 품으로 돌아갈 수 있었던 제니와
Et recevoir la médaille d'honneur de la police nationale.
C'est la médaille du silence, non? Vous voulez pas voir ça dans les journaux? Remballez votre médaille et votre promotion.
Un instant.
킬러를 그만두고 새로운 일을 찾아 떠나는 지의 마지막 모습.
Considering it's the second and third time I've been shot. Hopefully you won't get used to it. Doing what?
I don't know. Live well.
Your crossword. 13 across. Newly invigorated.
Reborn.
Yes.
넷플릭스 범죄 액션. 더 킬러, 죽음의 여왕이었습니다. 오늘도 평화로운 도심 한복판. 현금 수송 차량을 습격하는 강도들이 있습니다. 그리고 그곳에서 발생하게 되는 인명사고까지. 경비업계는 순식간에 난리가 나버리고 말았습니다. 지난 사건 이후 경비 지원자가 몽땅 사라져버리고 말았거든요.
Got cash pickup trucks and deliveries across marijuana dispensaries, cash vaults, hundreds of millions shifting through here every week, which can attract unwanted attention.
그렇게 모처럼의 신입을 맞이할 수 있었던 문제의 경비업체.
Married. Good. Stay focused. Killed on the job, a civilian too. And that's why we've upped our game.
신입 사원을 맞이하기 위한 강도 높은 훈련이 이어지고 있었습니다.
But you'll do for this job.
그리고 드디어 첫 임무 배정을 맞이하게 되는 이번 이야기의 주인공 스타뎀 형님.
May I introduce H? This one's yours. Meet Hollow Bob and Boy Sweat Dave. From Boy Sweat things. He's also a cop.
선배님들의 밀착 인수인계가 시작되고 있었습니다.
You won't love who your new partner is.
Stay out from under my feet. We'll get along just fine.
Did you hear about the guards that were murdered? Don't engage. He'll forget what he said in here.
That I was meant to be driving the truck that I was sick.
Hungover.
It was the feds in my face trying to make out if I was involved. She knows how I like my eggs.
This is a $2 million pickup for banking. X marks the spot. I like the way you handle that card. Not your boy, dude.
Two 411 clear. Pull her in slowly this time, Boy Sweat.
Base, this is Gamma reporting back. They always got to see the driver and message.
Okay, Gamma, you're clear.
You're gonna love him, Dave. It'll take you a while to dial in. That man's a dark horse.
We're all overqualified for this.
그러던 어느 날
What is taking him so long?
Hey, Bullet, what's taking you so long? You should be back by now.
선배의 가쁜 납치와 함께 대위기를 맞이하게 되는 요원들. 하지만 스타뎀 형님에게 긴장이라는 단어는 존재하지 않았으니
Truck, we have $2.5 million in here. If we take it away.
Pull yourself together. But we're not leaving it behind. I'm getting back.
1 minute before she dies. Take the next left.
All right. They're serious.
Money and throw it in the flat.
Dave, you just worry about putting your asshole back.
money in the fucking flatbed.
Just do what he says.
능숙하게 현금 가방을 투척. 강도단을 제압해버리는 묻힌 전투력.
Who'd you work for? Suck my fucking dick. Did you make poo-poo?
그는 그렇게 조사를 받게 되었습니다.
Last but not least, Mr. Hill.
What I don't understand is how you managed to take down.
Shooting was unambiguously precise.
Kill or be killed.
생채기한 없이 조직 하나를 괴멸시키다니
Yeah, we'll be in touch.
정부 요원들조차 믿지 못할 지경이었거든요.
Well?
Yes, it was him.
Not a fucking thing. Let the painter paint.
We've been trying to catch this man for 25 years.
Dude, because we have the same priorities. As far as you're concerned, he's just a regular guard doing a good job.
그리고 얼마 후 또다시 스타뎀 형님의 차량을 습격하고 있었던 불운한 강도단.
Chinatown, Broadway and Hill. Repeat. Fucking truck! Get down! Get down!
그들은 형님의 얼굴을 보자마자 주랭랑을 치고 있었습니다. 순식간에 업계 전설로 등극해버린 신입 경비원.
I hear H is for hero.
그곳에는 남모를 비밀에 숨겨져 있었습니다.
The autopsy report.
감히 범접할 수 없었던 그의 포스. 사실 그의 진짜 정체는 미국 최대 강도단의 보스였거든요.
Saying the climate change is a natural phenomenon. What melts up there reforms down there.
모처럼의 휴일을 맞이하여 아들과 시간을 보내고 있었던 스타뎀 형님.
What is it, Mike? Get someone else to do it. I'm with my son, Mike. Make sure the boss knows it's not my fault.
I'm out of town. Marky's surveying the... We can do that if you want, but it's gonna set us back. There's no danger to it at all. You can stand back and do it digitally. We gotta put eyes on it.
수아들의 절박한 도움 요청에 끝내 현장으로 향하게 되는데
Starving Fessy burrito. Locked. Don't go anywhere. Burritos, please, sir.
There's some gates on your left-hand side.
수송 차량의 이동 방향을 알려주면 되는 초간단 임무. 하지만 현금 수송 차량을 노리는 자들은 그의 수하들뿐만이 아니었으니
Out of the fucking car! Motherfucker, come on! Show me your fucking hand! Face to the fucking ground!
순식간에 사건을 휘말려버린 그의 아들. 망해도 제대로 망한 것이죠.
You were in an accident. You were shot at. 3 operations.
About my son.
아들의 사망 소식과 함께 세상 가장 깊은 절망감에 빠져야만 했던 주인공. 간신히 정신을 차린 그는 행동에 돌입하고 있었습니다.
Before you ask, we have no leads on this thing.
Somebody knows something.
Here's a shit list. I don't miss anyone that your boys have buried so far.
They needed to let me do this my way.
The floor is yours.
너무나도 억울한 아들의 죽음.
It's a fucking tragedy, boss.
관련 업계 모든 사람들을 조져서라도 말이죠.
I need a face.
You're gonna tell us what we want to know.
Anyone with a skill set.
In the search for justice. Understood.
It's rolling around the bend. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, but that train keeps a rolling. When I was just a baby.
Fuck. Make a sound of you dead too.
그러나 그곳 어디서도 나오지 않고 있었던 아들의 죽음과 관련된 단서들.
This
Gotta be an inside job.
그는 결국 또 다른 곳으로 시선을 돌리게 되는데
This time you're Patrick Hill from Lewisham, with references working in Europe and the same Delta Orange security system. It's another brand new you.
그 예상은 제대로 적중하고 있었습니다.
Wake up late, watch TV until I'm drunk enough to fall asleep.
뒷골목 강도 조직이 아닌 제 3의 존재.
The Afghanis treated us better than our own. Boredom's more dangerous than bullets.
전직 군인들로만 구성된 특수 강도단이 말이죠.
From 6 in the morning to 12 at night.
One minute we're killing Arabs, the next minute we're wiping their
One of those precious ornaments until I get my mother.
Make them pay.
길고 긴 최전방 생활 이후
Do they keep cash?
일상생활의 무료함을 참을 수 없었던 악당들.
110.
Wait a minute.
I thought we worked out over $500,000.
We spent the sweat. Even split. We want cash. Cash trucks.
Yes, motherfucker. You lie to me, I'll fucking kill you.
After years, taking it staring at our lasers.
There's more gold in these hills.
그들의 범행은 하루가 다르게 대범해져만 갔으니
This time there's going to be at least 6 mil inside.
Is the intel good?
Served under me back in the day.
I fucking love a mission.
드디어 다가버린 운명의 그날.
Out of the fucking car! Come on!
1377 a long ways.
Who we saying you fucking live?
경비 요원의 돌발 행동에 폭주를 하고 말아버린 문제의 인물. 그들은 전혀 모르고 있었습니다. 자신들의 실수가 얼마나 큰 대가를 초래하게 될지를 말이죠.
Glad we could all make it. I'm not sure it has all blown over.
지난 수익 꿈의 탕진 이후 곧바로 다음 작업을 준비하는 악당들.
Risk, as there is no guarantee of success on this one. We do this right, not hitting a cash truck. The depot.
이번 타겟은 무려 현금 보관소였습니다.
How much?
블랙 프라이데이를 맞이하여 전국 각지에서 몰려들어올 막대한 현금들.
Come in, Mr. Rossi. Thank you, Mr. Hill.
Why does this room always smell so good?
Well, it's Black Friday tomorrow, so.
무려 2억 달러에 육박하는 어마어마한 현금을 말이죠.
Let's get going.
그리고 스타뎀 형님에게 협조를 제안하는 내부의 배신자까지.
You know I like you, right, H? I've got some friends. I helped them get into the cash truck game. You get me? I tell them which trucks to hit. The 2 guards being killed was necessary.
복수를 위해 수개월을 숨죽이며 기다려왔던 그 순간.
With me now? I'm with you 100%. So do as I say and you won't get hurt. The depot. Today. Do we have a deal? Yeah.
운명의 시간이 다가오고 있었던 것이죠.
We're set.
We meet here at point A.
Just let them do their jobs, okay?
Not the day to be a hero.
Good boy today.
You, Brad, Carlos, and Jan.
스타뎀 형님의 적극적인 협조와 함께
Base, this is Gamma reporting. 2411 returning.
무사히 현금 보관소로 입성할 수 있었던 악당들.
There's too many guards that we can't control.
Stealth, the longer we live without drama.
본격적인 작업이 시작되게 되는데
Down on the ground.
Hands in the air. Hands in the motherfucking air. Get on the fucking ground. What the fuck is wrong with you? You on the front page of every fucking newspaper and tie his ass up. Behave yourself.
You, Jen, and Brad will take the control room. If that doesn't work, we blow our way in. Bob, men that operate the armory are hard-boiled.
The gate. Or I'll blow his fucking head off.
1, 2! Take this, Pete.
So we'll need ballistic play.
Nobody fucking move. Elvis, repeat. 4 is down.
예상보다 강력한 저항에도 불구하고 보안팀을 무력화시키는 데 성공하는 악당들.
Sweep the rest of the building. Copy. Welcome to the party.
SWAT have been alerted.
SWAT has been notified.
Black and whites will be on scene within minutes of 8 minutes until SWAT truck. But the SWAT truck's a different story.
We're 8 minutes out. 8 minutes out.
2 are loaded, then join 3 in the truck.
Did I stutter?
하지만 그것은 어마어마한 판단 미스였습니다. 사전 계획에 포함되지 않았던 가장 강력한 전력. 스타덴 형님의 묻힌 실력이 말이죠.
The alarm's gone. We should just wait for help.
Do whatever you fucking like.
4 is down. I repeat, 4 is down.
We've got a rat on the loose.
Come here. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Come on!
We're 4 minutes out.
남은 경비원들의 거친 저항을 치사한 수로 제압하는 배신자. 하지만 스타덴 형님의 분노는 지금 막 시작일 뿐이었으니 배신자의 멋진 활약과 함께 현장을 벗어나는 데 성공하는 악당들.
We're good. Let's go.
Flex to meet at Ronda Point to enter building.
Get ready.
그들은 끝내 현금 탈취에 성공할 수 있었습니다.
5 minutes until SWAT breach.
They can know about this access tunnel underneath the building.
설계 도면에도 남아있지 않는 옛날 지하 통로. 더 이상의 추적은 불가능했거든요.
Okay, I'll get the boss. I need that army now, sorry.
I wish I was confident that will happen to men when they smell that much cash.
Where's the Sarge?
It's not coming.
Prius load the cash undercover.
Too fucking slow.
그렇게 무사히 작업을 완료.
Weapon ready. What the fuck? More bodies down here. There's tunnels everywhere. We need more air cover on East Terminal Island. More air support up here. Entering industrial unit on Terminal Way.
홀로 모든 현금을 독차지하게 되는 마지막 악당. 하지만 스타뎀 형님의 위협은 아직 끝나지 않았습니다. 철두 철비를 넘어 완벽에 가까웠던 그의 설계 능력.
You here for the money?
Still read this. It's A1 and A2 enter the right lung. B2 ruptured the spleen.
Lacerated the heart?
In summary, I want your liver. Lungs.
스타된 형님은 끝내
스나무스타게.
복수에 성공할 수 있었습니다. 억울하게 목숨을 잃은 아들의 원한을 말이죠.
We're done.
넷플릭스에서 꼭 봐야 하는 스타뎀 형님의 또 다른 복수 액션 캐시트럭이었습니다. 역시나 화끈함으로 가득했던 레전드 복수 액션. 이번 주말 풀영상 시청 어떠신가요?